Today we're going to put a doorknob on the door. We're going to machine the holes. Let's get it all lined up. We're going to measure center in here and put a mark right there. There you can see our center mark on our latch. We'll close the door. And then we will line that up right there. And we'll use our square to make a line down the door. There we go. And if I had a third hand, I would draw a line down my square. Now that we have our line drawn down the square, we can use this jig. This one works really well. It's a Dewalt. It's adjustable. You can change it from 2 3/8, 1 3/8, depending on the thickness of your door and where your offset is on your hole. We're going to go with 2 3/8. That's what our hardware is set for, and 1 3/8 door. We just put that on here. We line up our pencil mark right there. Tighten it up really well here. And let's get drilling. We're going to drill this hole here first. 2 1/8 hole saw. Let's get to it. There you go. Take this off and we'll put the other side in. We'll put this one on. It's a 1 inch, 25 millimeter. We'll swap it out. We'll drill the end. The hole saw's been changed. Let's do the 1 inch hole. There you go. Let's get some hardware on. We're going to be installing Rona hallway closet. Let's take it apart and let's get her on. So what you're going to want to know is we don't need to machine the latch, the strike plate. See, it comes like this, but we're going to use this. So much easier. I'll show you how it works. You go in here and you just pop it apart. Take these, it comes apart like that. This comes off the top. This slides off of here. Take this piece, line it up on here, push it on. There you go. And I'll show you. You see the door over here? This, you line it up. Get a little closer so you can see. You line it up in here, give it a tap with your hammer, and it's in place. And then take these two, slide it in here. There. Goes on here. Put your 2 screws in and your door handle's on. Well, there you have it. 2 screws are in here. good. All we have to do now, put the strike plate on. Well, let's get this installed now. Well, as you can see, these corners are round and this plate is square. It won't fit, so we're going to have to mark the corners, cut them out so this fits in nicely. There you go. Got the corners cut out nicely. Let's put the strike plate on. There we go. Strike plate's on. Let's check and see how the door closes, how the hardware works. Well, there you go. We just installed a door handle. We had to machine the hole using the Dewalt jig. Hopefully that helps you on your project. Don't forget to like and subscribe.